Okay, we got walnut left over from the charcuterie boards, or however you say it, yesterday. Kind of want to do like a little coat rack, I reckon. Let's see what we can do. Alright, we're going to plane it. Plane them down. Get them smooth, and we'll sand it. And then I'll run them through the router and put a nice little beveled edge on it. Alright, planer got hot. Tripped my little overheat button, or whatever you want to call it, overload. One of them I do have done, planed on each side. I already ran it through the table saw to get rid of this little edge on this here. So, look really carefully, you can see some white, gray, some reddish pink, back down to gray and white wood again. They look real good. I'm gonna route. Alright, I'm gonna start with an 80 grit and work my way on up to a 320 and see what she looks like after that. Alright, I got my holes for my hangers, the keyholes. Got it all sanded down with 320. I'll put a clear lacquer on it. Got my other piece all planed down. Now I'm going to run it through the table saw, get rid of these little rough edges. Just enough to take that edge off, you know. This is the coat rack I was working on earlier. We out here at Third Thursday. This is the other one I was working on. Did these a couple weeks ago. Made these little bottle top openers with the cap catch last week. Made this like 2 weeks ago. Little mailbox, or pull your mail, your letters, coat rack, or your purse, a couple keys. Got all kind of stuff out here. Some I cut a couple weeks ago. My daughter had laser engraved. She actually did the engraving. That I made yesterday sold.